Good morning, lovely people. How are we today? So once again, the other day I was going through my film stock and I thought, hello, some Jersey tones I've never screened before. So I dug out the clips and then I realised the reason I'd never screened them was because the artists are gentlemen of dark colour, and with the Oscars lighting being almost non-existent, it wasn't a very good video. Anyway, I thought it's the middle of the winter, you might like something to cheer you up. So here we are. I've cleaned it up a little bit. I'm sorry about the quality of the recording, but hey, lucky I've got something, I suppose. I hope you had a nice Christmas, and I hope you all have a successful New Year, and I hope you're all coming back here next year. Don't forget, Oscars is the place to be, and I'll see you then. Thank you for watching the film. Oh, by the way, don't forget you can subscribe, and you can also leave comments. Polite ones, please. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again, I hope. Can you guess which one of these guys has got the tightest underpants? Or two tighter underpants, I should say.
Alright, here we go. Dum dee dee dum dum. Come on, come on, dum dee dee dum dum. Come on, come on, dum dee dee dum dum. Waking up is hard to don't take your eyes away from me. Don't you leave my heart easily. It's been all that I would do. The waking up is hard to do. They say I'm breaking love. I know it's true. You're saying this is the end. It's time that I wish you were. We will make it up again. I'll make of you. We'll say goodbye. Don't give up another try. Come on, baby, it's on you. It's breaking up this heart to
Sandy's arms at night. Roda at night.
Cheers.